Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences using the service. Northern Trust, northerntrust.com, presents itself as a wealth management and financial services institution. Their website highlights services catering to individuals, families, and institutional investors. Navigating the site, you can find information regarding investment management, trust and estate planning, private banking, and other specialized financial solutions. A significant focus appears to be placed on personalized advice and customized strategies. The site's layout is designed to guide visitors towards the services relevant to their specific needs, whether they're high net worth individuals seeking comprehensive wealth management or foundations requiring institutional-grade investment solutions. Northern Trust emphasizes its history and longevity, projecting an image of stability and experience. The language used throughout the website is professional and geared towards a financially sophisticated audience. A deeper dive into the website reveals detailed information on their investment philosophy, performance reporting, and thought leadership pieces. However, for individuals seeking more basic financial advice, the sheer breadth of information might feel somewhat overwhelming. While Northern Trust clearly aims to cater to a diverse range of clients, the website's primary focus remains on high net worth individuals and institutions with complex financial needs. They offer various contact methods, including phone numbers and email addresses for different departments, indicating a commitment to client service. Overall, Northern Trust's online presence conveys a sense of sophistication, expertise, and a dedication to serving a discerning clientele. The site serves as a comprehensive resource for those interested in learning more about their offerings, though it might benefit from streamlining certain sections to enhance user experience for a broader audience. Exploring different sections like Our Insights provides further information about their perspectives on market trends and financial planning strategies. While not overly flashy or design-forward, the website prioritizes functionality and providing access to a wealth of information. This aligns with their target demographic, who likely prioritize substance over style.